School Sabada Rajniti Toub Mahiroi ki Maraibak Tambang Amdaba Fibam the Thamba Hibasi Hakshin Lowi Haina All Manipur Muslim Students Organization AMSO JSQ na Kangalagli School Faganhansi Mission gi Makada Lisingani Kunitoida School Semgat Sagana Paubitek High School da Thadar Kraba Senpam Atopam Mafamada Divert Tokto U Atopam Mafam the season of Haina Paubitek Miam gi Maruina Mahiroi Kunai gi Apambagi Mayokta Wangoi AC gi MLA Loken Department da J Iramba Amadi Education Department work order Piduna School Sabala Liba Mui Singna Tabak Sunaba Honabada Ayat Apan Bapi Bahibasi Haksina Lowi Masigi Tawangasi Yabang Loi Mahiroi Kunai gi Mayokta Labani Haina Loroi Tabaki Maram Late MLA na Tubamatanda Kongpamasi Handokadabani Asukui Matamasi School Sahandana Yetnaduna Maram Ichacha the Mamonga Thamba si Daite Yaudaba Miamgi Kandaba Mahiroi Kunai gi Kandaba Masagi Rajniti Kaki Kanbatoni Haina Lowi School Sabada Ayat Apan Piriba Singashigi Matakta Education Department Government of Manipur na action lokatana Asukuiba Matamasi Tumina Leshinduna Lakagi Maram Karigino Haiba Wang Hangli Education Department na could Punduna Kumai Yingdun Labor Yaroi Atubamatam the school Sahalu MLA Local Area Development Fundagi MLA na classroom Ani Shagi Haiba Sisu Mahiroi Kunai appreciate the we Saviu Adubo School Fagadansi Mission gi Makada Lagliba Shenpam Atopamafam da Season Nako Haiba City Liba Machata the Wofamni Masi Yabang School Sabat Tingba Yaroi Atubada School Lashida Lady Bachay Naba Mayamasi Education Department na Loshinduna Anoba Academic Session Asidagi Hena Pava Lengaki School Lama Uhenbiu Hairabli.